In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up or slow down a TikTok video. So let's go to TikTok. And what we want to do here is once this loads up, go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner. So what we want to do is add a video. So go to the plus sign at the bottom of your TikTok screen. And you can either shoot a post, but I'm just going to choose a video from my gallery here. And let's go ahead and pick this video here. So what you want to do is just swipe up on the video itself, and it's going to bring up the actual video here. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this volume. So go ahead and click the audio there and hit delete. So if you want to speed up a video, click on the video that you want to speed up. And you have an option here called speed. But if you want to speed up or slow down a specific part of a video, what you want to do is go ahead and hit split. And it's going to split the video. And let's hit split again so that we're only affecting the part that we want to speed up or slow down. So let's go ahead and click on that one part that we just split out. And from here, you want to go ahead and hit speed. And now what you can do is either slow down the video, and it's going to make the video longer, or you can go ahead and make the video a lot faster by increasing the speed here. Once you're satisfied with that, go ahead and hit the check mark. And now that video has been sped up, now go ahead and hit the arrow at the top right hand corner. And now that video has been processed and it's ready to be made into a post with those speed adjustments on there. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to take a video, either shooting a video or taking it from your gallery and either speeding up or slowing it down. But that's it.